let's talk about different Ayurvedic oils, even about turmeric, and some other methods that might treat your psoriasis. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I am a leading expert in henna, natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and beautiful henna and jago body art, both for you guys at home and also for professionals in the salon setting. If you have any questions, just comment in the comments below and I might get your questions answered in one of my videos. Or if you are really pressing to get an answer like right now, and it's business hours though, then you can go to our live chat feature to reach one of our hair care experts that can also talk to you also about not just hair care. Remember, you can ask any questions about henna and jaguar body art as well. Question number 1 comes from Natural Curls for Life. I have been diagnosed with psoriasis. Do you have any Ayurvedic products that help with psoriasis? Yes, some of our products can definitely help with psoriasis and can really just change your whole scalp and your hair and just make it overall healthy. If you want to know what to start out with, I really recommend the Ayurvedic Strength and Growth Hair Regimen, because it has a lot of treatments in it that are ready to use, and it's a good introduction to kind of just, focusing on, the overall Ayurvedic healthy hair care environment you want for your hair, and it will promote your hair to grow at the same time, so it's a great regimen to follow. Also, you can look at our cassia and neem hair wash is really amazing, and also any of our soap nut products as well. Our next question comes from WTP. Says, have you ever tried adding turmeric to cut the red out of henna? I have not seen any videos on this on your channel and would love to know your opinion on this. Yes, that's a great question that unfortunately I don't have like a personal experience answer for you. I have no videos on using turmeric with henna because I've never used turmeric with henna. Why? I love turmeric. I buy fresh turmeric because I love to juice it. I love turmeric for its health benefits, in cooking as well, but I never use it in henna. I would be a little worried that it may push a little bit of the yellow kind of like tone, so I'm not really sure. So I haven't had a reason honestly to use turmeric, so I don't know. I don't really have a good answer for you in that, and I like to be very transparent. I've never tried it, but if you try it, please let us know how it turned out. I would love to hear if turmeric made a change in the henna hair coloring. It probably does, but I'd love to see how that came out. And one of our last questions today is Gift24GT asks, which is the best for hair growth? Fenugreek oil, amla oil, or bringraj oil? Inquiring minds need to know. That's a good question. Another great question. I love all of those herbs a lot. I find that bringraj really focuses on the scalp a lot, and because it has a little bit of darkening properties as a powder, at least, it really does, reduce the amount of grays and kind of like can darken that up. The oil possibly can do that as well. Fenugreek oil, very moisturizing, really nice, and just has a lot of slip. But amla has studies to back it, so I feel like a bit more confident in amla oil because the studies really show that amla works really well to promote hair growth. I really, overall, the oils are a great addition to the use of powders. When you're thinking about the potency, the powders are always going to get your hair to grow. They're more potent, they're more rich, So the oils are typically like extracts and they're processed in a different type of way. So if I had to choose though from these oils, again, I would definitely say try our organic amla oil. You guys will absolutely love it. It works amazing. It's very, very good for promoting hair growth. So thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications so I can get to your questions. And don't forget, as I mentioned, at hennasooq.com, you can go to the chat feature during our regular business hours and reach a hair care expert that can answer all your hair care questions. And not only that, but your henna and jago body art questions as well. And we can answer questions not only for those of you who are, DIY, doing it, this from home, but also the professionals out there. We got you. Just reach out to us via chat. We would love to answer your questions.